Hi my beautiful friend. Today I want to show you a simple workout routine that you can do from home for your booty, for your gluteus, just to help to lift them. And the thing is that I learned this exercise when I was in high school, when I was doing track and field. And yes, they did tell us that it helps to lift your booty and also help with your hips, so the muscles in that region. And I really liked doing it then, and it helped me a lot as a slim body type. It helped me to pack on muscles, because the only way I can gain weight, which I need to do for my health, is to put on muscles. So I like doing it then. And then I started doing rock climbing maybe 2 years ago, rock climbing / bouldering. And the thing is that what's wonderful about your body is that it adapts to the kind of fitness or to the exercises that you're doing. So it adapts to the shape that gives you the best potential. And I realized that for bouldering, in order to mold to the wall, or in order to do it in the best way possible, your body needs to mold to the wall. Therefore, you need to squeeze a lot your core in order to really be attached to the wall and, you know, go up or go sideways. And I took a look at like my booty one day, and I was just like, something's happening. Like, I noticed it was getting flat. And as a Jamaican, that was a big no-no. And then I looked at some other professionals in the field, and I realized that their body type, in order to really work best with climbing, it is really very it tends to be packed together, like slim and tight within it itself, right? So having that body type really helps you a lot with bouldering. And I like bouldering a lot. It's just that I don't plan to be a professional at it. I do it for enjoyment. And I also care about my figure. You know, especially as a Jamaican, that's important. So I decided to start doing this exercise again. I had stopped for a while just doing other types of sports, but I'm gonna start. I have been starting. I had started what's happening with my grammar. I had started maybe a few months back, and I'm seeing some improvements, maybe 2 months even, just doing it regularly. And I'm seeing that, yes, my shape is returning. So I want to share this exercise with you, and it's really simple. It's something you can do every day for a few minutes, depending on the intensity. But you will feel the burn. It is intense. Even while doing this exercise for you today, I'm sort of considering how far I can go, because I want to show you the full detail of the exercise, and you can make it your variation, you know, for what suits you. But I'm already thinking, man, am I gonna get really tired? But I'll power through so you can see what it's like. Friend, I do not know how fitness gurus do this. Like, they will explain what they're doing while doing the exercise at the same time. This is intense, but let's see. So I'm gonna try to explain what I'm doing while you can see it, and hopefully you can see like what I'm doing exactly too. So you're gonna extend your leg back, all the way back, and then just contract it inwardly, and try to keep your back straight, because you're having a good posture is important. So you extend it back and then pull it forward, and you can do this for 10 reps on one side. I haven't been counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that was the first exercise. Now for your hippies, trying to see the best angle to film this at. You're gonna take your hip and just extend it out, and then inwardly. What I'm doing is that I'm extending my leg out like this to the side, and then bringing it in. And also, it's good to keep a good posture. I'm just like thinking a lot about modesty right now while I'm doing this exercise. But it's like this. So you extend your hip out and then in, and you don't drop it. And when you're bringing it up, try to squeeze and bring it as high as possible. This one you will feel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And of course you can do more if you want. Wow, talking and doing the exercise at the same time is intense. All right, let's go to the next side. All right, I'll just stay like this and then do the next side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This next exercise is what we're gonna, it's gonna be hip thrust. So you're gonna start laying back, all the way back. Let me move so that, yeah. All right, so try to get your feet as parallel as possible and plant your hands and then just squeeze up and squeeze like from your hips and your glutes. When you're going up, go down, but not all the way down, and just repeat. So you're going up, squeeze, and repeat. And this exercise really resembles one in the gym where you would have a machine like a cross here, and it would be weighted, and you'd go up and down. So the weight would help you a lot, but you can still do this at home and just ensure that your muscles are doing the work. And you can do this for like 20 reps or less, depending on how much you want to get done that day and how much you can manage too. All right, and again, I wasn't counting, but I started to feel the burn, so I think that's good for now. All right, so let me know if you'd like to see more healthy at-home workouts like this, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.